The market has a large selection of graphics card, but GTX 1650 is the only low-budget graphics card which is capable to run any modern games in 1080p medium to high settings. And yes, you can do editing of up to 4K level with this card.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing, installation and benchmark of GigaByte GTX 1650 4GB DDR6 version under couple of heavy games, and also will show you the video editing performance. Let's take out the card. It has a fantastic appearance and the quality is good for the price. There are one HDMI, one DP and one DVI port on the card. CUDA ports are 896, which is pretty high. As I am using dual screen, so this DP to HDMI adapter is the way to go to connect more displays. This model has a large 80mm single fan to dissipate the heat. Point to note is it's compatible with PCI Express 2.0 and it will give its full performance even in the older motherboards. And yes, it is an overclock version, guys. Power consumption is 55 watt, so normal power supply is sufficient here. Extra 4-pin power connector is required here to give power to the card, and launch year of the card is 2019. First, let me show you the gaming performance without graphics card. So you can see the frame rates in GTA 5 is around 30 FPS without graphics card.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
So now let's install the new GTX 1650 in our PC. Installation is pretty easy. Now let me show you the benchmark in many games. Frame rates in GTA 5 medium settings is easily above 70 FPS. And here comes the famous Spider-Man remastered game. Frame rate in Spider-Man is around 60 FPS. Now next game is the Shadow of Tomb Raider. You can see, guys, frame rate in Tomb Raider game is easily above 80 FPS and it's fun to play. And last but not the least game is RDR 2. Guys, frame rate in RDR 2 easily above 80 FPS and the gameplay is awesome. And of course, yes, you can do streaming and editing up to even 4K with this card, as it has encoders embedded.
वाह क्या सीन है, वाह क्या सीन है.
The online price on Amazon is around 12,000 rupees. I will share the link in description if you wanna purchase it online. Guys, if you find the video informative, please consider doing like and subscribe.